In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom connecting problem. If Zoom gets stuck on connecting or takes forever to join a meeting, don't worry, we'll walk through a short sequence that clears common hangups and gets you back in quickly. First, we'll force close Zoom to break any background cache loops that might be freezing the app. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Find Zoom in the list, right-click it, and choose End Task. If you see more than one Zoom process, end each one. This doesn't uninstall anything, it just shuts down what's currently stuck. Now reopen Zoom and try joining the meeting again. Many times, that alone resolves it. If it's still spinning, the next thing to check is your computer's clock. Zoom relies on secure certificates, and if your system time is even a few minutes off, the connection can be rejected. Open your time settings. On Windows, you'll find the clock at the bottom right. On Mac, it's at the top right. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and back on to force a time resync. This refresh often fixes certificate-related errors without a restart. If you're on Windows and still having trouble, let's confirm the firewall isn't blocking Zoom's video stream. Open Windows Security or Windows Defender Firewall, then select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll to find Zoom Video Conference and ensure both the private and public boxes are checked. This tells Windows it's okay for Zoom to communicate on trusted and public networks. Save your changes and give Zoom another try. If the app still won't handshake with Zoom servers, a quick network reset usually does the trick. Reboot your router by unplugging its power cable for a full 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait until the lights stabilize, typically solid green, before testing Zoom again. This refreshes your connection and clears stale routing issues that can block real-time traffic. Lastly, turn off any VPN you're running. Services like popular consumer VPNs can route Zoom through addresses that trigger security flags or add latency to real-time media. Disconnect the VPN completely, then relaunch Zoom and attempt to join your meeting. That's it. Start by force closing Zoom, verify your system time, make sure Windows Firewall allows Zoom, refresh your router, and disable any VPN. Follow these in order, and you should be connected smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your meeting without the wait.